Welcome back, friends. Today we will draw a realistic Nobara from Jujutsu Kaisen. Nobara is a confident and brash young woman with an unshakable character. She is pretty as well as a very strong character. So let's quickly start with basic outline before a final sketch. Nobara has sharp features. She has a mid-length brown hair with bangs. She has long eyelashes as well as thin eyebrows. She has orange eyes. So now let us put all these in our beautiful sketch and let's see how beautiful realistic Nobara will look like. Nobara developed tattoo-like marking on left side of face and body reflecting. Poisoned image of her technique during Mahito's transfiguration. These tattoos look like rose thorns.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
all liked my drawing. Do like and support by subscribing my channel. Do see you in my next video. Stay tuned.